Hey, what's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and in this video, we're going to be talking about how to easily advertise using Clicxads, all right? So if you want to learn a little bit more about how you can get your business or brand out there, definitely pay very close attention to what I'm talking about here in this video, all right? All right, now without further ado, if you want to learn more actionable strategies to put more money in your bank account, definitely go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also, tick that bell icon if you want more videos just like this one right here, all right? All right, so let's go ahead and jump into today's content. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to where it says account because I'm already logged in, so it's just going to take me right into the back office. All right, so once we get into the back office, where I want you to pay attention to is right over here on the left where it says Advertise. I'm going to click this, and I'm pretty much going to go through these tabs with you so you get a better understanding of what you will have to do once you decide to, get started with Clicxads and start to advertise your business and actually earn Bitcoin, all right? All right, so here we go. So the first section is CPA GPT offers, all right? So I'm going to pretty much go through these and you'll be able to see how beneficial this is actually going to be. So as you can see, I've already did 4 campaigns using the CPA GPT. To be completely honest, this is where you're going to get more bang for your buck, right? It's like my favorite part of it, all right? All right, so new campaign. That's what you're going to do first. Now, right here, you're going to have 5 things that you're going to have to do, okay? Number 1, you're going to pick the device that you want these people to come from. You're also going to choose the category. So as you can see, the devices are mobile, desktop, all devices, Android, iOS, iPhone, iPad, okay? So what I like to do is I like to put all devices, right? Because I want people coming from all different devices. All right, now, the category. Now, what this is, just so you guys get an understanding, just in case this is actually confusing you, this is CPA, which is cost per action. So you're actually going to be paying people to do a simple task for you, okay? Now, the way that I've been using this is to build my social media following, okay? So just to kind of give you an example, if you are marketing on Facebook, you understand that Facebook doesn't show you to all of your friends. They're only going to show you to a certain amount of people, okay? Usually because they don't really want you. Like if you're doing free organic marketing on your profile page, truthfully, Facebook doesn't really want you to be making money off of your profile. So what do? They actually limit you from reaching all of the people, okay? So you can actually push through that using what I'm going to be showing you guys over the next couple of videos, all right? Now, this is what I've been using, and this, as you can see, these campaigns right here, you can see I actually used it just as I'm going to be showing you guys here. All right, so I'm going to go back to new campaign, and as you can see here, I'm going to hit all. All right, now you can see it's set up for all devices. Now, the next step, you can go and have people do surveys. You can have them watch videos. You can have them do email submits. So for the people out there that are doing CPA and all you need is somebody to email to pretty much opt into your email, which if you know anything about Max Bounty, there's some email submits that pay you $3 just for somebody giving you an email, or $2 or $1. But imagine paying somebody 10 cent, right? 10 cent in Bitcoin, right? To actually do that task for you, and you just earn $3 on that email submit, just to kind of give you an idea of how powerful this can really get. All right, so here we go. You can also have somebody download something, okay? Maybe you got an app or something. You can have them download it. Also, if you want people to take a trial, you can pay people for taking a trial, okay? Blog posts. Maybe you want them to go engage on your blog posts, right? You can have them do that by just paying them some BTC. And guys, this is literally pennies that you're going to be paying, okay? Not like a 1 cent, but these are pennies versus you actually, going out there and paying a whole lot of money, on the traditional advertising, such as, Facebook and all the other platforms. You could actually just pay these people to do some of these things for you, okay? All right, and then testimonials. This will be all up to you and what you want to do. Me personally, I go to the other section. All right. Now, the next thing is to put the link that you want people to go to. So in my case, I've been using my Facebook links, okay? And what I've been doing is I've been having people do True CPA. So there, I'm paying them to go to my profile and keep this in mind. These are real people. These aren't bots. See, that's the difference. So if you understand the Facebook algorithm, this is pretty much how it works. Once you put out a post, Facebook is going to start to show it to people. Okay. Now, once they show it to the first wave of people, let's say, for instance, they show it to 15 people when you first put it out. Out of those 15, let's say 10 of those people actually engage. Now Facebook is going to push your post out even more. Okay. Then once they see, oh, okay, he just kind of got through that engagement wave. Now we're going to put them to another engagement wave. Maybe they're going to show your post to like 25 or 30 more people. Now, out of those 30 people, let's say that 20 actually engage. Now they're going to keep showing it and showing it. So basically how it works, to simplify this, as long as people are continuing to engage on your posts, they're going to keep pushing your posts out there. But the moment that the engagement stops and there's nobody engaging on your stuff, guess what? Your post just dies. It dies after a while. This is kind of why I'm really like stuck on YouTube, because as long as you put a video up on YouTube, it's going to always be there if you learn SEO and all the little magic tricks that, you know, most of us marketers and people who really understand video marketing, what we're doing. Okay. So that's just to kind of break down the algorithm, just so you can kind of understand how this is going to be a benefit. So if I'm paying people to Bitcoin to go to my posts and engage, right, leave actual like genuine comments on my stuff, then that's going to be a benefit, because those people are liking, they're commenting, and they're sharing. So you can see here, I got put, let's say, for instance, as you can see, I got a few of my Facebook URLs right there. So let's say, for instance, I want to use that URL. I wouldn't, because I've already used it. But as you can see here in the title, I just tell people what I want them to do. So like, comment, and share. Okay. And then in the box, I tell them specific directions. Okay. I may tell them to leave, go to my post, and leave an actual relevant comment to my post. Right. So that way, it's going to push you further out in the algorithm, especially because Facebook, like, remember what I said, they're real people. So when people are going to your posts and they're liking, commenting, and sharing, Facebook is going to be like, oh, this must be a real valuable post. Let's keep sharing it. Right. So this is like pretty much cracking the algorithm, because these are real people, real IPs, devices from all different places, and they're engaging on your posts. Okay, so just think about it like that. All right, so next thing, you put exactly what you want them to do, and then here you just put how many. Okay, so if I want 10 comments, or if I want 20 comments, then all I got to do is just put that number in there. Okay, and then I just put the amount that I actually want to pay them. So maybe I want to pay them 10 cents, or maybe I want to pay them 15 cents, or whatever. Some of these people are actually in some other different countries, right? And then some are in the United States. It just really varies. All right. All right. Now from here, you just pick your banner image. And then after that, to get the image to show up before you actually, save this ad, then all you're going to do is hit add file to add it. And then you're going to hit submit. Okay. All right, now from that point, you want to make sure you turn on login ID. And then at that point, you just pay with your main balance and your purchase balance. Okay, so hopefully all that made sense for the CPA. Now let's go over here to the banner ads. All right, now these are pretty simple. As you can see here, it says manage and new campaign. We're going to go over here to campaign. And just to give you an idea, these are actually banner ads right there. So that kind of give you an idea of what they actually look like. All right, so you can choose 728 by 90, or you can do 125 by 125. All right, and the next thing, you're going to put the link where you want these people to go. And then right here, same concept with the banner image. You add the file first, and then you hit submit to actually get it to pop up. All right, and then from here, you're going to choose the pack. So you're either going to do a 30-day pack, or you're going to do a 500 impressions pack. Okay, and then after that, you pretty much hit, you can either pay from your main balance or you can pay from your purchase balance. All right, so that'll be up to you. All right, and then once you hit that, then it's going to ask you to confirm, and boom, it's going to pay for it. All right, so that's how you set up a banner ad. And then next is the PTC ads. Okay, so this is paid to click ads. All right, so over here, I'm going to go to new campaign. Pretty much majority of these are somewhat of the same setup. So it's very, very, simple for you to get advertising pretty quickly. All right, so same concept, add your title, okay? Put the link in there. Now the only difference with this is once you put the link in there, it's gonna, if you hit check URL, it's going to basically check your URL and make sure it's valid, right? Because you don't want to put a link there and then you end up like typing something extra and then it goes to like a HTTP 404 page or something like that, right? So that's what the check URL is for. All right, and then here you have a bunch of different options as far as the packs goes. So you got 900 views for 10 seconds, 300 views for 30 seconds, 500. You can see a bunch of different choices that you will have, for the PTC ads. Okay, now same concept with the pictures. You know what to do on that. Put a description if you want. You can also geo-target. So if you want to go United States only, or if you want to go Nigeria only, or wherever you want to go, you can actually geo-target. Me personally, I don't even geo-target at this point. I just kind of let everybody, do their thing. All right. And then from here, you just do the same thing. You just pay with the main or you pay with the purchase. Now the login ads, these are pretty simple, straight to the point. When you go to the website, if somebody's running login ads, it's going to be an ad as you're actually getting ready to come onto the site. That's how those will work. Me personally, that's not something I would want to do. Okay, that's just me personally. Maybe you watching this may actually want to, utilize that. All right, so the next is Facebook. Okay, so if you're watching this and maybe you're trying to build up your fan page, right? So this particular the way to advertise is going to be so you can build up your fan page. All right, so if I go to new campaign, you'll see it says fan page URL. So all I would have to do is put my fan page, the page that you run your ads on. You could put that link in here, and then you can see the pack. You can get 100 likes, 500 likes, or 2,000 likes. Now remember what I said. These aren't bots. These are real people that are going to be going to your page. So if you got your page set up and it looks professional, right, and people go over there, remember these are people. So some of these people may catch interest to your actual page and start engaging with you, or may become customers long term with you. Okay, so keep that in mind. All right, so the next is the YouTube videos. So pretty much this right here is the same concept. So you go to new campaign, you put the title in, you put the URL so to your YouTube video, or you could just take it to your channel page, and maybe you have a video on the channel page that you want people to see. So that'll be up to you. And then from here, you just pick the amount of views. So you can go with the 100 views, the 1,000 views, the 5,000 views, or the 10,000 views. That'll be your choice. All right, so that's pretty simple, and the same concept goes as far as main balance or purchase balance. All right, now traffic grid. Now this is going to be if you want to get, cheap, fast traffic. Okay, that's when you can use this. Me personally, that's not one that I would actually use. Like I was saying in the beginning, where you're going to get the most bang for your buck is the CPA GPT offers. And so far, that's the only one. That's the only category that I use since I've been using Clicxads. All right, so those are all the different ways that you can actually advertise your business or brand using Clicxads. And some of you that are watching this, maybe you have a couple different other ideas that you could be using Clicxads to maybe grow your Instagram page. Or trust me, when I first caught wind of it and I started to see how beneficial this could be, like all these different thoughts were coming in my mind. You know what I mean? So maybe you watching this, you decide to get started with Clicxads by clicking the link in the description. Maybe you can think of some creative ways that you could use this to grow your business and brand, further. All right. So with that being said, hopefully this was helpful, and if it was, definitely give me a thumbs up. Also drop me a comment down below letting me know if this was helpful or valuable, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.